How to get Mint Mobile Bill Statement 2025 step by step. Getting your Mint Mobile Bill Statement in 2025 is easier than you might think, but most people get this wrong. They assume it's hidden in a complicated menu. Here is a step-by-step guide. Step 1. Log into your Mint Mobile account on the website or the mobile app. Make sure you're using your account credentials, not a temporary guest login. Step 2. Navigate to the billing or payment history section. You won't believe what happens next. You'll see a list of all past and current bills, including due dates, amounts, and payment methods. Step 3. Select the statement you want to download or view. Mint Mobile allows you to download your statement as a PDF, making it easy to save for taxes, expense tracking, or reimbursement purposes. Step 4. Review the details. Each statement includes the plan you're on, any overages, taxes, and discounts. This transparency helps you verify charges and avoid unexpected fees. Step 5. Optional. Set up automatic email delivery. Mint Mobile can send monthly statements directly to your inbox, so you never have to log in to check again. By following these steps, you can quickly access and manage your billing history without stress. The surprising truth is that many users think Mint Mobile only shows current balances, but in reality, you have full access to detailed historical statements anytime, helping you stay organized and avoid billing surprises.